Hey everyone, Zachary Jarid here from the Goldwell US team, and I'm with my lovely model Julia in my salon in Williamsburg, Brooklyn. Today on Julia, we've already completed our lightening service using our OxyCure Platine for a bright and clean lift. Now we're gonna go in and refine the reflection using the Colorance Gloss Tone 9V. This will help to move Julia's hair in a cooler direction and add superior shine. Let's get it done. This is the final look on Julia, and as you can see, we were able to create a cooling effect while preserving maximum light reflection. The way the Colorance Gloss Tone 9V is able to reflect off of pre-lightened hair is so beautiful. Don't forget to check out more of our upcoming videos on the Goldwell Education Plus YouTube channel. See you next time.